Sa video na ito, ituro ko sa iyo kung paano gamitin ang inyong smartphone as a webcam for free and hindi na din kailangan ng Wi-Fi connection. Ang kailangan mo lang is a smartphone device, a USB cable, and a smartphone holder or a smartphone stand. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Gomera, helping you to grow your audience with online video. So, huwag na natin patagalin guys. Let's get into the tutorial. Ang una mong gagawin is to install the Iriun app on your smartphone device. And then, you just need to follow the on-screen instruction kung paano siya ma-download and install sa smartphone devices mo. Alright, the second step is to install or download and install the Iriun app on your laptop or PC. So, you just need to go to iriun.com or magput na ako ng link sa description para mas madali sa'yo. Sa website nila, you can choose webcam for Windows, for Mac, or for Ubuntu. So, depende sa operating system ng device mo. So, if you are using Windows, so you need to install or download the webcam for Windows. In my case, since my laptop is using Windows 10, so I choose webcam for Windows. Download and install the app on your device. Just need to say yes dun sa mga instruction na makikita nyo sa yung screen para ma-install yung app niya. Once na na-install na po ang Iriun app on your smartphone devices and to your PC or laptop, so kunin mo na yung USB cable mo kasi gagamitin natin siya para mag-work yung ating smartphone na magiging webcam. So, plug into your PC or laptop. Then, yung kabilang dulo naman is syempre doon sa smartphone. Once na-connect mo na yung USB cable, may makikita ka na nagpo-prompt na message like this. You just need to check it. Always allow from this computer. And then tap OK. So, you need to open your Iriun webcam application sa yung smartphone. So guys, this is now how it looks like. So once na-open mo na yung app niya, meron kang makikita dito na mga menu where you can check the settings of the app. So ito yung sa mirror niya, kunwari kung may text dito sa sa harapan mo, so pwede mo siyang i-tap. Okay, so nabaliktad siya. Happy siya balik. And for the settings, you just need to tap this tool icon. So, dito mo makikita yung settings ng Iriun app sa smartphone mo. So, you can tap for the orientation, landscape portrait, or it depends on your preferences. And then sa camera, you can choose back and front. Then, autofocus. Ayan. Okay na po tayo dyan. So, the next thing na gagawin natin is to open the Iriun webcam on your PC or on your laptop. So, ayan guys. Once na ma-open nyo po yung Iriun webcam on your PC or laptop, so, may window na mag-pop up dyan. And you can choose your video format. Okay? And then, so you can minimize this one. So, mag-open na tayo ngayon ng Zoom. So, ngayon guys, naka-open na po yung Zoom meeting natin. So, dito sa video, itong icon ng videos, you just need to click on it. And then, go to settings. So, you can choose here is camera or Iriun webcam. So, kapag yung AC camera kasi yung gagamitin ko, so, this is how it looks like sa aking mga Zoom meeting. So, pangit yung resolution niya and parang blur. So, ibang-iba talaga kapag gumamit tayo ng application. So, sa stock video, check mo lang siya or you can click and then choose the Iriun webcam. So, I don't know if I spell it right. Iriun. Iriun. Anyway, kayo na bahala guys. Basta, yun yung app na gagamitin nyo para magiging webcam yung smartphone device nyo without Wi-Fi or basta, yun na yun. Okay? So, ayun guys, napakadali lang po ng steps niya. Very easy, right? Easy to follow. So, I hope you guys learn something from this tutorial. So, if you do, please don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video tutorial just like this. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.
So, ang una mong gagawin is to install the Iriun.